Hey guys, this is Ivan Cuber. I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube using this pamphlet here that I got with one of my cubes. Alright, what does it say to do first? Complete one side. It's vary to complete one side of the pattern of the figure in hat. Okay. Alright, there we go. Face the complete side upwards and then complete the upper side. Face the complete side of the magic cube downward and turn it over. Turn the middle part of the side and line it with the complete lower part to make the raised pattern. Okay, there's the raised pattern. Complete the middle part. There we go, the middle is done. Completed as per the reverse way if the illustration. Okay, so if the illustration completed as per the reverse way. While turning it in 180 degrees, do it twice. Complete the upper side in the cross pattern. Complete lower corners of upper side. There we go. Complete the three sides of the corner on the upper side. There. Complete sides. And the sides are done. And the whole cube is done. That simple.